Okay guys, I am back in the kitchen again today, and I'm getting ready to show you guys how I put my corn, how I bake my corn. It's actually like a roasted type corn. So you'll need a half a stick of butter, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, and of course the parsley. And we have 8 ears of corn. So what we're getting ready to do, we're getting ready to put a half a stick of this butter. We're gonna melt a half a stick of butter. I'll take you guys to the stove. Okay guys.
Use the knife as a spoon.
Now I was trying to make sure that it actually came out in one take. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're melting our butter. Key don't like when I use the knife. She'll be okay though. Okay. So we're allowing our butter to melt. Guys, are you all looking forward to the holiday? I am looking so very forward to the holiday. I love to eat. I really do. You looking forward to it?
Mm-hmm.
So I hope if you all get a chance. I know normally you probably go to the park and over family house. Y'all better stay in the house. Cook your own meal with your immediate family and sit down somewhere. Okay? So now we're getting ready to add in our garlic powder. Okay. Okay, so this is garlic powder. See? Okay, we're gonna add that in, because we want this corn to have flavor. And now we're getting ready to add in our paprika. Is it open? Okay. Okay, y'all, we gotta add. That's right, we have ran out of paprika.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need this paprika because I need it for my potato salad. So I don't know if this is gonna drop or what, but guys, cinnamon has been in the kitchen all week long. Okay, so now we're getting ready to add in our paprika. And this paprika actually have like it's supposed to be a little kick to it. I don't think so. Okay, and now our Cajun season. Okay, you see Cajun season? Okay, wait a minute guys, I want to put some onion in here too. Okay. We're going to turn this off because I do not want this to burn. If this burns, we're going to be in trouble. Do you hear me? We're going to be in trouble if we allow this to burn. I probably need a little more butter. Did that pop on you?
Scrape it.
Oh, you want me to turn this off while I do this?
No, it's just.
No, I need to turn it off. I have no problem turning it off.
Turn it down. Editing.
Okay.
Can I look that smooth?
No, you can. Y'all, Key is a little hot mess. I am going to add a little more butter because for whatever reason, this pan seems like it's off a little bit. You seem like it's off balance.
Yeah.
I don't know what's with that.
Remember I tried to cook?
You did this to my thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I've been eating all day.
Oh, my goodness.
I don't know how many Kool-Aid cookies I've had. Check out the video.
So we're getting ready. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, my goodness. So, guys, that right there is going to melt as we're putting it on the corn. So what we're getting ready to do now, I'm getting my brush. We have our oven set for 350 degrees, guys. And we're getting ready to take this over to the counter. Okay, guys, so we have 8 ears of corn. And we're just going to sit the corn on the cookie sheet. And the way this corn tastes, if you didn't know no better, you would think I had stood out at the grill and cooked this. That's just how good it is. Okay, so we're going to bring our butter mixture. I probably need to slide this down. Okay, we're going to bring our butter mixture.
Stirring it up.
Yeah, I'm stirring it up. So all you have to do is this right here. And you have to do both sides. And because I have the kind of cookie sheet that I have, it's like, you see how the cookie sheet is? It goes, that's a little space. So what I normally do, once I've made sure that I have it on both sides, I pour the remaining of the butter sauce at the bottom. But I try to make sure that I drench this with this sauce. Okay, we're going to turn this over, see? Make sure we get all of that sauce on both sides. We're going to roll it over. That needs to be rolled over. Now we need to roll it up because we want to make sure that both sides are covered with this sauce. And whatever you have left over after you've made sure, see this corn right here is on both sides. We don't want nothing to go in the oven without being drenched in this sauce. Roll him over. I don't know why I'm always giving my food a gender. Have you noticed that? So we don't really have much sauce left, just the corner, and we just gonna drizzle it. Okay guys, I'm sorry because I've been pouring my my parsley over it, but if you like Parmesan cheese, you can add it on there too. You can add it on this corn too. So we're gonna, okay, look at the corn. It's all over the corn. That sauce is all over the corn. And we're going to add the parsley flakes on both sides. And we're going to put this corn in the oven for 15 minutes. How long did I say, Key?
15.
15 minutes. And I will bring you guys back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so my corn is out of the oven. Cameraman, zoom in on a good looking corn. And as you can see, this corn is still hot. When I tell you this corn has the best flavor, the seasoning that I put in that butter and I put that corn on it, I'm telling you guys, it tastes so good. The butter sauce tastes good, so I already know the corn is delicious. So if you decide to make your corn like mine, please guys let me know. Please let me know. And like always, I ask you guys to share out the cooking videos, guys. You share out these videos, we get more subscribers. We can start doing giveaways, because that is the plan, guys. We are almost at 10,000. We are right there. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to check out my family. Check out the entire Epic Empire and let them know that KeeCam and the fam sent you guys. You guys have a blessed holiday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, I am cooking I'm just in the kitchen. I'm just cooking. I just went berserk in the kitchen. But guys, no, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.